Yaga yo, we're outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, so just gonna take a little ride up to we're actually on Bristol Road. So I don't know what we're gonna talk about today. I'm literally just gonna ride and go with the flow, you know, like that. Alright, let me come to you. Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot, man. So this is the A38, and I think if you stay on here, correct me if I'm wrong, you probably end up in Redditch. And is it Redditch? I can't remember, man. Because I believe this is like the south side of Birmingham. And let me know if I'm correct. I'm terrible at geography, you know. Let me just put that out there. So if you hear me say some madness about what, you know what I mean? Like, geography is not my strong point. Come on, man. Flipping helmet, steaming up and all kind of things, man. And it's on this road as well, guys, where there is a bike training school called Riders. Big up Riders. Big up to the whole family at Riders, to be fair. Really good people. So if you want to do your CBT, if you want to do your Mod 1 and Mod 2, just check in over here, innit? It's on Bristol Road. I'll put the address in the comment section. Or the contact details, so you can book in. Just book in, get it done. No excuses, don't play about. Go all the way. Don't half-heart the thing. It's obvious and and certain times I forget how busy this road is, man. It's a busy road. Sometimes you forget you're on a bike, man. Kind of swiftly get up your foot. Go on. Alright then. Okay, so Riders is just there on the left. So it's Riders, what they call it, drivers up here. Drivers and riders. So if you want to do your bike stuff, car stuff, that's where you go. But not Big John's here, that has been there for years. I'm trying to think if that was the first one. Was it that one, the one up Chelmsford Wood, or the one by Moors Green? Let me know, guys, which one, if you're from Birmingham, which one was the first one? I think I was having this discussion a few months ago with a brother. I couldn't remember which one was which. Let's see if we can get up in front. See, when you're not riding to test standards and stuff, on a bike, you always want to be at the front. I like to be at the front, you get me? So there's nothing in front of me, so I can just get myself out the way of these guys behind me real quick. So if you go left there, you go to Redditch, Cotteridge, Bourneville City, University. Oh, the south of Birmingham's that way. So I don't know what is this way. Oh, do you know what? I'm there messing about, you know. I need to go find a petrol station again. I feel like this drinks the fuel, you know, I can't lie. But at the same time, there's a big difference between a 750 and a 900, even though it's only like, do you know what I mean, 150cc. But when you open her up a bit, it pours the fuel into the thing, and you got no fuel gauge, no fuel gauge, no fuel gauge, nah, 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 you know, like that. See, you're telling me slow down, 'cause I can feel the heat, slow down. Yeah, walk out the road, yeah, no problem, mate, cool, just walk. Just do it, no problem, mate. I mean, he's in the right, to be fair, but you know, common sense. That's why enough people I get licked on by the road. Another thing is, I wonder if you guys have noticed yet, I don't know if this is a new trend, but you see when you're driving, when it's school time, teenagers treat every part of the road or the pavement as a zebra crossing. Has anyone noticed that? I wonder if anyone's noticed that. They literally will see you coming and just step out, and not all, they don't even run. They walk. They walk and give you that eye contact as if to say, yeah, I dare you, I dare you. You know, like that. It's crazy. Like, what's wrong with the youth then, man? Like, them head chip out or something. Like, I don't understand. Like, yeah, you're doing beer craziness on the street, and you're also looking to get licked down by cars. I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. You see, when, even as a big man, when I step into the road, I'm moving off, skirt, quick, to get to the other side, brethren. You think I got time to be getting licked down by no car? Are you stupid? But these youth there, it's like they're looking to get licked down in many ways. I don't know what's wrong with them. Like, let me know, let me know if you experience the same thing. I don't know, maybe it's just certain areas this goes on. Maybe if you're in certain coalfields, Redditch or other parts of the Midlands, maybe it's not that. But I know in Birmingham, on the ends, the pit of them is just walking on. Every road is a zebra crossing. And not only that, they just treat it as you must stop and slow down, which, to be fair, if you lick down somebody when they're in the road, you're going to get in trouble. But, you know, common sense, it's not common. And that in itself is problematic, man. You get me? Very problematic. I don't know what's wrong with these youths, man. Someone needs to talk to them, man. Someone needs to, I don't know, reel them in, man, and just do a mass therapy or counselling or some blasted life boot camp. Do you get me? Starting with how to cross a Ross road. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's mad. It's absolutely mad. I don't know if London stay the same or up north. I don't know, man. But I don't know, around here it's like the youth them chip out, man, when it comes to these road settings. We used to have the green cross code. Stop, look, listen. Stop, look, listen. That means that you go to the road, you stop, you look, and you listen to see, to hear if a car is coming. What is that? But now, there's no stop, there's no look. In fact, there is look, but it's eye contact looking. It's like beef, like they're just looking in your eyes to say, yo, what? Like, stop the car. You get me? It's crazy. I remember my brother saying, yeah, big him up still. My brother saying, we was having this conversation, my brother said, yo, when him see them thing there, you know, him just, you know, as him a move, you know, him just give them a little coof with him wing mirror. You know, them wait there just to make them youth that know some boy, listen, mind what you're doing out here. You know what I mean? Not to injure him, but just a little cook. You know, you shouldn't do that still. But I understood it and I get it. That's why I was laughing. You get me? I have to tell my son all the while, man, listen, man, like, when you walking, make sure say you're not playing chicken with the road. Like green cross code. Like, do they even do that in the schools nowadays? If there's any teachers about it, let me know, man. Do they do the green cross code at school anymore? If not, they need to put that back in the curriculum. Because the picture them ain't got no flipping sense. Respectfully. But anyway, I thought I'll just have a little ride up by Bristol Road where, as usual, nothing mad going. I'm just out here just enjoying coming out on the bike for a bit. But yeah, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Get this channel monetized by summer. Can we do that, guys? Come on, man. Let's run these numbers up, man. Share the video, like the video, subscribe, and just say something, but don't bother say nothing wicked in the comments. You know, like that. Anyway, I'm out. Peace.